she can have it. I know he's working, breaking havoc. We got the big guns, automatics. No, if he tries to dead, I got a model, she giving me head. I'd rather be out making money instead. I'll pay all my dues, I don't got no debts. I heard that he died, we pay respect. Yeah, strong with the Uzi. If we catch him, we make it.
B3, no back with another like. Go subscribe, go like, and go comment. Cause I'm dropping these bangers all 2023, man. Today's video is about I'm going to Walmart to go mess around with the customer, man. I'm finna be sneezing. I'm finna be take stuff out their buggies. I'm finna be moving their carts. Do everything I can to be aggravating, man. Y'all stay tuned and go watch and don't do nothing that you don't want to do in life. Go grind, baby. Be easy. I love you. I'll see y'all when I get to Walmart. You did. Hey boy, how you coming? Right, with tie-dye on it.
For guys?
For girls.
For girls.
That's fine. Thank you, boy.
Not in here, man.
Thank you, boy.
Your arm all right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Blaine, would you break your finger, sir?
As long as you get caught with it, it's on your ass when you get it. I got this. You know that, right? In my buggy, sir. I'm going to bed. I'm going to bed. I'm not quite fucking with my shit. What are you talking to? It's my buggy, though. What? I got that fun. Where you going? Yeah, get that with you if you want to. Yeah, they call it knuckles. Go ahead. You go and put your knuckles up, but these Marine knuckles in, they good. These Navy knuckles. That's good. And I hope they good too. Yeah, good. Yeah, thank you, my buddy. Go ahead. All right, nigga. Go ahead. Bye, nigga. What, nigga? Bye, nigga. You want to hit?
Better hide the H, people on the way, brave on the way.
Great. No, this is my buggy. That's what I'm talking about. This is my buggy. No, I left it outside. I'll just go back to the kid. Nah, the Mexican man didn't give me this one. Talking about Old Chaco? Hey, I know who you're talking about. He told me I can get the buggy. That's my buggy. No, man. So I can't get my shit. That's my buggy. This is my buggy, sir. I'm dead ass. I just got oh, this is my buggy, sir. I
He said he left his butt. I'm crying. I said, you didn't leave this shit. I'm crying. You're funny as fuck. Is that was pushing that bitch down there?
I don't pay for it. I think you pay for one.
Yeah, you can have it.
Alright, I'm just playing some fun. I'm sorry.
I'm already
Hey,
know.
look. Boy, you seen the drinks? The drinks. No. That's a break. Biggest watermelon I've ever seen. Thank you. Come get it. Want to check it out on the plate? It's yours? Yeah. Oh, thing goes on one over there. Another significant thing about watermelon. Oh, look, listen. Look. What are you trying to prove? Listen. You don't hear it? You don't hear it? No. Oh, listen, one more time. I'm busy. We'll put it back in there. Thank you, sir. Thank you. You're having my time. It's a prank, sir. It's a prank. Take a look. Stay over there. Stay. It's my birthday.
I just got milk
Milk.
right there. This is
Can I do
my
my bananas
banana.
back?
That's my banana. I got it. That was the first thing I got when I come in the door.
No, I'll take care of that. You was already over.
Get out of here.
Take my break.
Hey, think about
Excuse me, man. I'm sorry. This is first. I know. This is mine.
No, this is my baby.
I promise.
I promise. Okay. That's my baby.
Okay. Let's do it.
Hey, we're gonna go to the east side. We're gonna go to the east side. Hey, it's a prank. 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 Have a nice day.
What's up, YouTube? Your boy B3 is back, man. Y'all seen how the video went, man. Y'all go stay tuned. Y'all go comment. Y'all go like. And y'all go subscribe and show me some love on the social, man. I love y'all. Y'all be safe. Y'all stay tuned for more. You dig?
You know it's so PF. Yeah, she wanna break it. She can have it. I know he's working. Breaking havoc. We got the